Welcome to Curious Kids Galaxy. Today on the Space Adventure, let's explore the planets in our solar system and uncover fun facts about them. Together, we will identify the planets and learn how to spell them. Fasten your seatbelt as we blast off into space. Are you ready? Come aboard the CKG Starship. Let's go. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Before we begin, let's answer the question, what is a planet? A planet is a big round thing that moves around the sun. We can view them using a telescope, but they are not the usual shiny objects scattered in the night sky. Those are mostly stars. Planets come in different sizes and forms. They, along with the sun as the center, make up the solar system. The first planet we have here is Mercury. Mercury, the speedy messenger. To spell Mercury, we say M-E-R-C-U-R-Y. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It is the first planet out of the 8 to complete a revolution. Fun fact about Mercury. A day on Mercury, sunrise to sunrise, is longer than its year. It takes 59 Earth days to rotate once, but only 88 Earth days to orbit the sun. Next, we visit Venus. Venus, the hottest planet. To spell Venus, we say V-E-N-U-S, Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun and Earth's fiery twin. Fun fact, Venus is hotter than Mercury, even though it's farther from the sun, because its thick atmosphere traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect. Temperatures can soar in hotness more than any other planet. Next up, we have Earth. Earth, our blue marble. To spell Earth, we say E-A-R-T-H, Earth. Ah, home sweet home. Earth is the only planet known to support life. Fun fact, Earth is the densest planet in the solar system, packed with a unique combination of water, rock, and metal that gives it its mass. Now, on to Mars. Mars, the red planet. To spell Mars, we say M-A-R-S. Mars is the planet of dusty red deserts and towering volcanoes. Fun fact, Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is about 13.6 miles high, almost 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Our next destination is Jupiter. Jupiter, the gas giant. To spell Jupiter, we say J-U-P-I-T-E-R, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Fun fact, Jupiter has a great red spot, a massive storm that has been raging for over 300 years and is so big that Earth could fit inside it. Let's move over to Saturn. Saturn, the ringed beauty. To spell Saturn, we say S-A-T-U-R-N, Saturn. Saturn is most famous for its stunning rings. Fun fact, Saturn's rings are mostly made of ice particles, with some rocks and dust. They stretch over 175,000 miles wide, but are only about 30 feet thick. Up next is Uranus. Uranus, the tilted planet. To spell Uranus, we say U-R-A-N-U-S, Uranus. Uranus is the icy blue-green giant. Fun fact, Uranus rotates on its side with an axial tilt of 98 degrees, making it look like it's rolling around the sun rather than spinning upright like the other planets. Finally, we arrive at Neptune. Neptune, the windy world. To spell Neptune, we say N-E-P-T-U-N-E, Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. Fun fact, Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching a speed of up to 1,200 miles per hour. These winds whip through its atmosphere of hydrogen, helium, and methane. Today we learned about the 8 planets in our solar system. We now know how to spell them by paying attention to our host Daniel as he walked us through the whole learning process. From what we learned today, we have full confidence that we can recite the 8 planets in their order of nearness to the sun before our parents, friends, and teachers. Am I correct? Sure. Thanks for being a part of the solar system adventure today. Do not forget to check out our previous videos on the 1, 2, 3 adventure and more. Also like and subscribe to the Curious Kids Galaxy for other fun learning videos. And tell your friends at school about the amazing work we do here every day. Until next time, keep looking up, kids.